All right, everybody, Chef Anthony here. I got some deals and steals for you. That'd be a perfect gift on some smallware tabletop items that we carry. So check out this assortment. This is like, let's say, my favorite things. First and foremost, Mila Coffee Maker. Tabletop grind and brew unit. Can make cappuccinos, lattes. Comes in various colors. This is a sweet setup. Next, this will be Cafe's drip coffee maker. I love this for people that need that pitcher of coffee, but it's still going to grind and brew, has a ton of specialty settings, has that great cafe accents, just like the toaster right here. 2 slice, they have it in white. I love it. I think it just stands out on your countertop, just like a nice little jeweled piece, I call it. Next, all the holidays, everybody needs a good vacuum. This compact one from Mila, one of the best, usually lasts like so long, has a ton of functions and features, really a horse. This right here is just so pretty. This is the KitchenAid Artisan series, so this is the evergreen bowl with the black walnut in the brass accents. This is great. This is like a premium item, but it's super, I mean, it just stands out. Rounding it out, I got a few more for you guys. Once again, we can't talk smallwares without Dawn stainless steel cleaner, water-based stainless steel cleaner, not an oil-based. Really gets all that stainless clean. Then we always say it's silver and gold time. These are, scratch resistant, just great scrubbies that have, good scrubbing power that won't really wreck your shop. On the end, this is a favorite one. We have this running. This is the GE Profile Smoker. Really dedicated settings of briskets, wings, salmon. You can kind of do anything in here in GE Profile. It's a Wi-Fi enabled product, so you can monitor the cooking process. Runs on pellets. Looks great on the inside. Look, we're smoking wings. There's a drip pay for them. There's a ton of room. So this rounds out some of my, all-time favorites here on tabletops. Hope you guys get some insight on this and like it for their upcoming gift or whenever you kind of need it.